Yes, Didi, this lamp will spread light and happiness all around. You know, it will be more beautiful if we share our happiness with others. Great idea, but how can do that? Let's go to Grandma. She will tell us. Let's go. Dadu, Dadi, we want to ask you something. Yes, beta. We want to make our Diwali more beautiful. That's a wonderful idea. But remember, true beauty lies in heart, not in decoration. Dadi, but how can share happiness? I tell you, each one of us has a light with it. This light represents kindness and goodness. But my children, this light needs to be nurtured. This Diwali, we will illuminate the lives of needy people. Shivanchi and Amrinder, come fast. I got crackers for you. These are Rangoli colors. We will decorate our house with beautiful Rangoli. They are needy family. Can I share my Rangoli colors with them? Yes, why no? Give gift also. Go and invite them to join our celebration. आपके इस अनमोल उपहार के लिए मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ। आपके इस प्यार के लिए धन्यवाद। अगर आप ये दिवाली हमारे साथ बनाएंगे तो हमें बहुत खुशी होगी। चलो हम मिलकर रंगोली बनाते हैं। चलो हम मिलकर क्रैकर जलाएंगे ना। तुम हमारे साथ चलो ना पटाखे फोड़ने। हाँ, चलो। Look, our Diwali lamp shines brighter and your Rangoli is very beautiful. Yes, Adi Shreyans has made this.
In this way, this simple act of sharing and spreading kindness have made their Diwali truly special.